Yare. Khadija ya October 30th, 2017. Je Katino Yoshkas. And Kineza Beyonce Sita Dakoyo Biha. Lesson 5. Shlakone Oho Ah. Datini lghaazh. Datini lghaazh. What is that? Datini lghaazh. Fried bread. Yeah, Datini lghaazh is our lesson for today. Shila. And this is what we'll cover. There we go. We'll cover two things, positive and negative idea. Shema, it's a relative. So we learn a little bit more about relatives. Anybody wants kind of like a reference thing on Shema, we can do that, or relatives, we can do that. And then Shema, Datani lghaazh, fried bread. Datani lghaazh, Datani lghaazh, we'll explain all that. Ayo means a lot. Is an expert, right? A good one. Do and Bisakan. Okay. So not only does the cooking expert at it, but she also likes it. So even verbs can have a do in between. Okay. Next one, Shadeja is another relative. My sister, my little sister. Let's call it little sister. Little sister Deja, Asto also. Okay, also. Asto. Latini lghaazh. Ayo, Bisakan. And then we have another relative, Shalecha, my dog. Esto lghaazh. Ayo, Bisakan. He too loves it. Okay. And then on Shana, for some reason, lghaazh. Lghaazh. Okay, meal. Item. Meal. 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 And then meal. Meal, guys. Okay, so let's see if I corrected that here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so what's wrong? Shana, older brother, ate meal, guys. Door. What? Door. Your second. He doesn't really like it. Okay, well, that's choice there. Anyway, we'll cover that in class as a understanding of things, with little stories, whatever. Aro will do I'll do another video clip on this one, so this one's just approved, okay? The other thought we're going to do is we're going to do some Mad Lib again with fried bread and another person, okay? Maybe Red Riding Hood, that's it. And then we'll finish up. Okay, yeah. See you in class.